If you want to enable double tap to lock on Google Pixel 11, then in that case we need to get a third-party app that allows us to use that gesture, because unfortunately there is no built-in double tap to lock this screen on Google Pixel 11. So if you go to the Play Store and use the search option, and then over here, of course, at the top we can use the search field, and you can type something like double tap screen on and off. Like, for example, we can use these suggestions. And as you can see, we have many different example apps. In my case, I'm gonna use this one here, and I'm gonna install it. I'm gonna show you how to set it up and how it works. So it shouldn't take too long to install it, and let's open it. There we go. Now we're gonna go next over here, and we need to enable service. So we're gonna go here, tap on allow, tap one more time on the same option, and go next. Now here we have the toolbox, so we're gonna select it, and we want to enable toolbox here, and tap on allow. There we go, now we can tap on done. You might see a premium offer some sort of, so you can just close it here. And now we have the switcher, so you want to make sure that it is actually enabled to make sure that you can actually double tap to lock the screen. But in addition to that, you can go to turn screen off over here to find this home screen option. So we can double tap on home screen to turn screen off. So this is something that I want to actually enable. So now let's see if it's going to work. I'm gonna double tap, and yeah, now it works. Of course, we do still have the built-in option to tap on this screen to, of course, show the lock screen. But now we can also double tap to lock on the home screen. And as you probably noticed, there is also the same option for lock screen, but unfortunately this is a premium feature, so you would have to pay for that. Maybe you can find another similar app that actually grants the same access to the double tapping to lock the screen, but also for the lock screen. I'm not sure if there are other apps that allow you to do so for free, but of course you can use the Play Store to search for other apps. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.